Hi friends, in this lecture we will study how to calculate the line integral. If f bar equal to 3xyi minus y square j, find integral f bar dot dr over the curve C, where C is the arc of the parabola y equal to 2x square from 0 to 1 comma 2. So generally how to calculate integral f dot dr over the curve C. So that is given by integral f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz over the curve C. So this curve is given y equal to 2x square. So that is, if you write in the general form of parabola, x square equal to y by 2. So that is in the form of x square equal to 4ay, that is symmetrically about y axis. So this is x square equal to y by 2. So that means it is on xy plane. On xy plane z is 0, so therefore dz is 0. So that means this term will be 0. Therefore integral f bar dot dr over the curve C equal to integral f1 dx plus f2 dy over the curve C. And the given relation is y equal to 2x square. So that is dy equal to 4x dx. Now we have to substitute all these values. So generally in case of single integral, we are converting. Generally we have to calculate integral f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. We are converting all the terms, either x terms or y terms or z terms, or in terms of a single term, either in terms of x or in terms of y or in terms of z or in terms of some parameter t. So now we have to substitute this. So integral f1 dx plus f2 dy over the curve C. So since this value is 0, so now what is f1 means I component, that is 3xy, and f2 is minus y square. Now substitute these values. Integral 3xy dx plus minus y square dy over the curve C. Now we are replacing this y with 2x square and dy with 4x dx. So therefore integral 3x, y value is 2x square dx minus y value. So y value is 2x square, already square is there, whole square, and dy is 4x dx. Now so the total integration is in terms of x. Now what are the limits of x? So x is varying from 0 to 1. So therefore x is 0 to 1, 3x, y value is 2x square dx minus, again here also substitute y value 2x square whole square and dy is 4x dx. Now simplify this. So 3 into 2, 6 x cube minus 16 x raised to 5, that is, so this 2 square 4, 4 into 4 16, x square whole square, that is x raised to 4 into x, that is x raised to 5 dx. Now we have to integrate with respect to x. So 6 into x cube, that is x raised to 4 upon 4 minus 16 into x raised to 5 integral, that is x raised to 6 upon 6. The limits of x is 0 to 1. We have to simplify this. So it is in 3 times 2, in this 2 times 3 by 2. If you are substituting in this upper limit, that is 1 minus 0. So that value is 1. 1 into 3 by 2. We will get 3 by 2 minus here 2, 8 times, in this 3 times 8 by 3. So substitute x equal to 1. So 1 minus 0, that is 1. So now we have to simplify this. So LCM is 2 by 3. So 3 into 3, 6 minus 16, we will get minus 7 by 6. See one more problem. Find integral f dot dr over the curve C, where f bar equal to 3x square I plus 2xz minus yj plus zk, and C is the straight line from A00 to B213. In this previous problem, they mentioned that relation between y and x square, that means C is a arc of the parabola or something is given, but in this case the given C is the straight line joining the points A 0 0 0 and B 2 1 3. So in case of this, first of all, you have to find the equation of a straight line in symmetric form, that is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1, and we are equating this to some parameter t and converting all the terms of x, y, z are in terms of t. So therefore the equation of a line joining the points 0 0 0 and 2 1 3 using this formula, x minus 0 upon 2 minus 0 equal to y minus 0 upon 1 minus 0 equal to z minus 0 upon 3 minus 0. We are assuming some parameter t. So x by 2 equal to t, that means x equal to 2t, y by 1 equal to t means y equal to t, and z by 3 equal to t means z equal to 3t. Now we have differentiate this. So dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt, and dz equal to 3 dt. Now what you have to calculate? Integral f bar dot dr over the curve C. So which is equal to integral f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz over the curve C. Now f1 means, so 3x square, f2 is 2xz minus y, and f3 is z. Now we are replacing this x, y, z with these values, x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z equal to 3t, and dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt, dz equal to 3t. So f1 3x square, 3 into x value 3t whole square, that is 4t square. So 4 into 3 12t square. F2 is 2xz minus 1. So 2 x value is 2t, z value is 3t minus t. So that is 12t square minus t. So f3 is z, that is 3t. So therefore integral f bar dot dr over the curve C equal to integral f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz over the curve C. Now we are replacing this f1, f2, f3 with the calculated values, and dx, dy, dz also we calculated this. Dx equal to 2 dt, dy equal to dt, dz equal to 3t. So substitute these values. So f1, so 12t square into 2 dt plus f2, so 12t square minus t dt plus f3, 3t, 3 dt. Simplify this. So 12 into 2, 24t square plus here 12t square minus t plus 3 into 3, 9t dt. So therefore, so 12t square plus 24t square, that is 36t square plus 90 minus t, that is 8t. Now we have to integrate this. So now we are converted these total terms in terms of t. Now how to calculate the limits of t? Since in this given x equal to 2t, so that means x limits are 0 to 2, therefore t limits are 0 to 1. So therefore t is varying from 0 to 1, 36t square plus 8t dt. So 36 into t square derivative, t cube by 3 plus 8 into t means t square by 2. So simplify this, it is in 12 times and here 4 times. Substitute the upper limit minus lower limit, 1 cube minus 1, that is 1 only. So 12 plus 4, that is 16. So like that we have to find integral, how to calculate the single integral f bar dot dr over the curve or a line equal to f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz over the curve C. In case of finding the line integral, we are converting all the in terms of a single variable, either x or y or z, or in terms of some unknown value t. So like that we have to calculate this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.